Hello everyone guys, and in today's video we're as always gonna dive into Bitcoin's chart. What's going on guys, and what does it all mean for us? Let me explain. So basically Bitcoin finally gave this significant downward movement. Bitcoin got rejected from the resistance level at 65,450. What does it all mean for us? Let me explain. So basically, if we scale out and switch to the daily time frame, right here we can see that Bitcoin is still trading in a downward trend because maximums and minimums are still decreasing. On top of that, the first rule in a downward trend that all the bounces which appeared we first of all deem and interpret as a bounce, not as reversals, guys. Because right here, when Bitcoin hit the support level at 80k, Bitcoin gave this pullback for approximately 21-22%, and after that, price got rejected from the resistance level at approximately resistance area at approximately 100k. And after that, the bounce ended up with an update, the low price. After that, Bitcoin reached the support level at 60k, gave this significant bounce, but anyway, this bounce ended up with an update, the lowest price of 2026. So basically, as I said previously, all the bounces which appeared or will happen, first of all, we interpret and deem as bounces, not as reversals, guys. And previously, if we switch to the 1 hour time frame, right here we can see that Bitcoin previously changed the swing trend, because minimums and maximums start to increase for a short period of time. And when Bitcoin got rejected from the resistance level at $67,000, Bitcoin again start to trade in a downward trend, because maximums and minimums again start to decrease. On top of that, Bitcoin broke below the diagonal support level on which previously this upward trend was stick on. After that, but what the definition of a downward trend? The definition of a downward trend is when maximums and minimums are decreasing. And when price broke below the diagonal support level, it seems like it's obvious that Bitcoin gonna collapse for approximately 60-61k, at least. After that might be 50-55k. But when Bitcoin reached the support level at $65,000, Bitcoin got in a bit, gave this upward movement till the high at 65,450. And if price right here accumulate enough strength to break it above, Bitcoin may again start to trade in an upward trend, because maximums might be again start to increase. But Bitcoin got rejected from the resistance level at 65,450, which means that Bitcoin saved the downward trend, which means that Bitcoin is still trading in a downward trend. On top of that, all this consolidation above the support level at 62,250 right now we may deem as an accumulation before breaking below the horizontal support level, guys. So basically, if Bitcoin and when Bitcoin break it below, with a high probability we may see an acceleration of a downward move, guys. So right now it seems like the Bitcoin is accumulating above the support level. So if Bitcoin break it below, with a high probability we may see an acceleration of a downward move toward the support level at 60-61k. So why did I say that 60-61k is significant support zone? Because it is round support zone, which has confirmed several times on history, due to that fact, we may see a bit upward bounce if price hits this support level. So basically, if Bitcoin hits this support level, with a high probability we may see a bounce toward the resistance area 61-62k. But after that, if and when Bitcoin may make something like a retest of the resistance level at $62,000. So Bitcoin hits the support level at 60k, may give a big pullback over the resistance level at 65,000. After that, we may see a continuation of a current downward move towards the support with breaking below 60k, toward the support zone at 57,800, because below this extreme point going to be bunch of liquidity due to that fact that it's the lowest price of 2026. Guys, And right now we can see that what Bitcoin is tend to do, because previously the lowest price of 2026 was fell on approximately 60k. After that, Bitcoin gave this upward bounce, then Bitcoin update the lowest price of 2026, then Bitcoin gave this upward bounce for approximately let me count, for approximately 13%. After that, the bounce end up with an updating the lowest price of 2026 again. So basically, due to that, we realize that Bitcoin literally tend to update the lowest price of 2026, and I think it's just only a matter of several days, several weeks, when Bitcoin will be updating the lowest price of 2026. So my main target is in updating the lowest price of 2026. It is 57,800, guys. So if we talk about swing, I think that Bitcoin may break below the support level at 62,250. After that, break it below, may hit the support level at 60k. After that, in a bit upward bounce toward the resistance area at $62,000, and Bitcoin may make something like a retest of the resistance level. After that, bounce back toward the support level at 60k with breaking below the support level. And after that, an acceleration of a downward movement toward the support level at 57,800. So basically, guys, this was just my take and my view on Bitcoin, not financial advice, guys, just my thoughts. And let's check in a bit Ethereum. Ethereum is trading above the support, the horizontal support level 1850, and we may interpret and deem this as a consolidation before breaking below the horizontal support level, because right now smart money are accumulating their own position before the price may break it below. So basically, I see this scenario: if Ethereum hits the support level with a high probability and break it below, with a high probability we may see an acceleration of a downward move toward the support level at 1800, at least, of course, in my opinion, or either 1750, guys. So basically, and Ethereum right now is trading in a downward trend because maximums and minimums start to decrease. So basically, guys, this was just my take and my view on Bitcoin and Ethereum, not financial advice, just my thoughts. Thank you guys so much. See you later, and have a good day. Subscribe to my channel. I record this video like that almost each day. Bye bye. Thank you so much, guys.